Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix not receiving emails on any iPhone. Now, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just open the connection section. Now just tap on the airplane mode to enable airplane mode on your iPhone. After that, just wait for a few seconds, then tap on airplane mode one more time and turn off airplane mode. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then swipe up from the bottom center of the screen and open the recent apps section. And if the Mails app is in the recent apps section, just swipe up and remove the Mails app from the recent apps section. Then open the Mail app and check if this fixes your issue or not. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then go to Settings. From here, just tap on General, then tap on iPhone Storage. And from here, just check if you have enough storage on your iPhone or not. Now, if the storage on your iPhone is full, then just delete any data which you no longer need to free up some space. Now, once you do that, after that, just go back. Now, in the main settings page, just scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, from this app list, just open the Mail app. Then tap on Mail Accounts. From here, just tap on Fetch New Data. Now, from here, just make sure you enable Push. Now, after that, just go into all these settings and make sure you select Fetch. Just like that. And also at the bottom of the screen, if it is on manually or hourly, just select automatically. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then open Settings, and in Settings, just go to Apps, and from here, just open the Mail app. Now, just tap on Mail Accounts, then tap on the mail account which you are not receiving emails from. Now, once you open the email account, just tap on Delete Account. Then tap on Delete from My iPhone and it will delete the email account from your iPhone. Now, after that, just tap on Add Account. And from here, just log into your account one more time and check if this fixes your issue. Now, once you have done that and if this also did not fix your issue, now after this, just open the Mails app. Now just swipe from the left side and open the Mailboxes section. From this section, just tap on Junk. Now from here, just check if your mails are going to the Junk section. Now, if you're using another email app like Gmail, just open Gmail. Then tap on the three lines over here. From here, just tap on Spam. And from here, just check if your emails are going to the Spam section. Sometimes your iPhone automatically sends the emails to the Spam section. That is why just check if your emails are going to the Junk or the Spam section. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. Now, for this, just open Settings and go to General. Now, from here, just tap on Software Update. Now, from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now, once you have done that, and if this also did not fix your issue, then the last step is to reset all the settings on your iPhone. For that, just open Settings, then go to General. From here, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now just tap on Reset, then in the pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Now just select Reset All Settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix not receiving emails on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.